According to the press release, the pants were designed to do just that. Speaking of which, here's Herbie with the latest Windmill Windup update.
Certainly, Steve. The Windmill Windup registration closed recently, with over 120 teams hoping to secure one of only 80 spots. Just today, the organisation announced that Cheek2Cheek have been selected for the 2012 edition. If you have been on YouTube recently, you will have probably seen the Cheek2Cheek dance, and hopefully they will be dancing their way to a solid finish at the Windmill Windup in June.
I'm looking forward to June already. That's it for us here in the studio. Thank you for watching and good night.